Hello friends, Susmita here, and today I am going to talk about loop. Loop means repetition and why repetition is needed. Now, suppose I have to print my name 10,000 times. Which command I use? Print. So the command is 10,000 times print Susmita, and this is very time taking process. Now, to solve this problem, we create loop in Python. In this, we use the loop control variable. In this we use a loop control variable which is completely control the loop, and for this the variable has three status: initial or starting value, condition to stop or stop value, and increment or decrement. The syntax is variable equals initial value while condition colon statement variable equals to variable plus increment. For example, I is a loop control variable. The starting value or initial value of I is 1 while I is less than 11. Here we take one extra value to stop the loop. Less than 11 will stop at 10. Print Susmita statement to repeat, and increment is 1. So this program will print Susmita 10 times. Now let's try this in Python. Save the command and run the module. 10 times Susmita. So that's it for today's friends. Hope you understand the code, and if you have any question, write in comment box.